Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Start by putting the shock absorber in place. Once the shock absorber is free in the spring, using an 18mm offset wrench and a 9mm spanner, screw the shock absorber head on it. You can now coat the two holding screws on the shock absorber with grease, then put them in place on the pivot. You can help them by giving them a small tap with a hammer. Pay careful attention, however, to the ABS sensor cables and the brake hose. Put the brake hose and the ABS sensor cable in their housings. Fix the two screws, making sure to match up the placement of the shock absorbers with the felted marks created at the start of the process. Finally, put the sway bar link back in. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. Once finished, put in place the plastic bay of the windscreen, not forgetting to reconnect the windscreen washer pipe. Put the waterproof joint back on, then the windscreen wiper arms without tightening excessively. Then you can put the wheels back on your vehicle, paying careful attention to grease the stud bolts well. Put the car back on the ground and fix the wheels in place correctly. Operation completed.